So, carrying on with how to make an organized paragraph, in this lesson we will learn some tricks. Some tags will help you to add some font styles without using CSS. So we have bold and strong tag will help you to make a bold text. We have emphasize and italic tag will help you to make an italic font. We have small tag to make smaller text than normal. We have insert tag to make a line under the word, deleted tag to make the line over the word, and finally we have mark tag to make marked text. So I will use all of them together within this paragraph. So for the first one, let me make it italic. So I will add paragraph. Let me just remove this tag. So I will add a paragraph for the first one, and inside this paragraph let me make italic tag and close it. And then for the second sentence let me make paragraph, but just let me mark the HTML word. So before HTML I will make mark tag. Then let me change hint word. Let me make it small. But let me make a paragraph for the whole sentence. And for this sentence let me make bold tag. And then let me add any number inside insert tag, which will make a line under the sentence. So let me type any number like this. Let me just organize the tags like this. And for this sentence let me make paragraph. So let me save now and see the result. So here is the emphasized or italic sentence, and here marked word, and here bold text, and hint is smaller than usual, and finally a line under the number. Let me make a deleted text. So let me add another paragraph. So DEL, short for deleted. Let me add a text. And then let me add the deleted text. So here is the deleted number. So here is the deleted number. So the first one is emphasized or italic. So instead of I can use emphasize like this. And then the second one is marked, and this is a normal paragraph. And your hint is small, and the sentence is bold. We can make it strong. It will be the same. And then insert number, and finally we have a deleted text. So let me save and see if will be any difference or not. So if you notice now the last paragraph is bold, but why this happened? Because here we forgot to close strong tag. So now everything below strong will be bolded. So let me close strong tag So here, instead of small, it will be strong. Nice. So here is the deleted paragraph. So finally, there is a quiz similar to this. So try to solve it and don't forget to show me what you have done in the comments. See you.